Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the app and shortcuts have permissions. This avoids blocked automation. Open Shortcuts and tap the plus to create a new shortcut, then name it clearly so you recognize it later. Once done, add an action. Choose Open App to launch the target, URL to call an endpoint, or Run Script for custom behavior. Make sure to test each action as you add it so you catch permission issues immediately and keep your workflow predictable. You now focus on chaining actions to create a reliable flow. Set input, transform it, then deliver output because predictable ordering prevents errors. Use variables and if/otherwise to handle different cases. This makes the shortcut robust when data changes. Then configure appearance. Choose an icon, add to a widget, and assign a Siri phrase for voice launch. Once configured, run the shortcut step by step to verify results, and note any actions that return. You finish by running the full shortcut end-to-end and inspecting returned values so you confirm success. Export or backup the shortcut and enable triggers, time, NFC, or app open if you want automation. If something fails, first check permissions and network access, then verify variable types and action order, because most issues stem from mismatched inputs. Make incremental fixes and rerun, once stable. Deploy it in a widget or assign.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.